Class, so we continue with exercise. Okay, exercise 7.2, page 124. Okay, alright. So the question here is, an engineer of an automobile company wants to check if it is true that the mean time to stop, okay, when brake is pushed, okay, a vehicles with ABS will take exactly 25.4. So exactly, so means that it's equal lah, okay, exactly. During heavy rain, a random sample of 40 cars has been tested and give a mean of 26.2 and standard deviation of 2.3 seconds to stop. Can you help the engineer to make a conclusion with the alpha, or the A here is 0.03. So this is all the information that you have. Okay, this is a mean. So step number 1, just follow the step. So you need to state what is your H1 and H0. Okay, so automatically we know that when I keep repeating this, okay, for H0 is that have an equality sign. So this one will be your H0, and automatically is a complement to it, which is not equal to 25.4. Okay, then step number 2, you need to find your test statistic. So x bar minus mu, and then s over cert n. Okay, class, x bar is 26.2, mu is 25.4. What is your s? 2.3. What is your square root of n? Is 40. Okay, so you will get, okay, I already calculated it, so you will get 2.1996, okay, right? Okay, then what else? Step number 3, alpha. What is your alpha just now? 0.03, and then find out z alpha over 2. Okay, alpha over 2 class. Okay, because of what? Because this is two-sided, so it will be 0.015. So using table, okay, using table you will get the z value will be negative. Negative is it? Positive 2. Okay, 0.052, 0.015, negative 2.27, negative 2.17, negative 2.17, okay, negative 2.17. After that, step number 4. Okay, before that, you draw the graph. Okay, so negative 2.17 is somewhere here, is it? And since this is a unequal ataupun two-sided, so therefore there must be have another side here. So this is negative 2.17, this is a positive. Okay, so there must be two-sided, and this is the region of this is the region for rejection. So then step number 4, you check 2.1998 is lies in this one, is it? Betul tak? Because this is 2.17, but your z value is 2.19, which is more than 2.17. So that means maybe it's somewhere here. Okay, so as not important lah kat mana dia lies, but as long as it lies in the region, so therefore we will reject the H0. So this is our decision lah. Okay, our decision. So step number 5 is our conclusion. So what we can conclude? So we can conclude that it is not true, or you can what else? Tadi saya cakap is not true, that mean it's not true, the mean is 25.4. Okay, to stop, kan? Ataupun you I couldn't agree with the claim, okay, something like that lah. Okay, so I would not agree. Okay, agree with the claim. With the claim means the hash not. Okay, the hash not lah. So we reject hash not, right? So we wouldn't agree with the claim. Okay, alright. Okay, we go to another example here. I use the next paper. So example 7.2, page 124. Okay, the question here is, a waterworks officer insists that the average daily household water use in a certain country Okay, a water work officer says that average daily household water use in a certain country is at least, okay class, at least macam mana tadi? It's more than equal. Okay, at least it's more than equal. So this is the mean. Okay, on average, to check this claim, a random sample of 25 household was checked. The average of those sample was 380, and the standard deviation is 62. Okay, test at alpha 2.5. Okay, class 2.5%. Okay, you need to convert it. So it becomes 0.025. Okay, convert you need to convert lah. Okay, instead of percent, you kena convert to decimal like this. Okay, so step number 1, H0, H1, what is your H0, what is your H1? So this will be your H0 because they have an equal sign here. And automatically your H1 will be less than 400. So step number 2, find out your Z value, S bar minus mu over S sub N. Okay, so S bar just now is 360, mu is 400. And then S is 62 over square root 25. And from the textbook, I just copy the textbook answer because I already do it just now. I mean before I record the video, I already tried. So negative 1.6129. So step number 3, alpha is 0.025. Okay class, so supposedly at this stage, what you need to do is you need to check whether your N is small size or large sample, small sample or large sample. So you can see that your N here is 25, which is less than 30, and it will be considered as a small sample. And then check whether your sigma is known or unknown. And since this is S, so means that your sigma is unknown. So therefore you need to use T table. Okay, we will use or we will do it the test, T test. Okay, not Z test. Okay, kita akan buat T. So actually dekat sini you can tukarlah T. Okay, instead of Z, now it will be T. Okay, and then what else? Okay, after that, T 0.025. Then what else we need to do? What the other information that we need to have here? Yes, degree of freedom. Degree of freedom. So what is your degree of freedom? Degree of freedom is equal to N minus 1. So your N is 25. So you minus with 1. So therefore is with 24. So using T table. Okay, T table. Okay, find out 0.025. So this is 0.025. And then your N is 24. So N is 24. So it will be here. 2.064. 2.064. 2.064. Okay, then yes, you can draw the graph here. So 2.064 is lies on the right hand side, is it? Okay, right hand side. But class, okay, this is one thing. Okay, this is one thing that you should consider. Since 2.06 is at the right hand side, but your tail is on the left hand side. Left tail. Okay, when it comes to left tail, so means that we will consider, or the what we call we will consider they will be on the left hand side. Okay, not the right hand side. Okay, so because of kenapa? Okay, because of actually this table, T table, they have only positive side. Okay, they have only positive side. So means that it's not equal like Z table. Z table they have negative and they have a positive. So that's mean kalau yang Z table ni memang follow. Which is what I mean by follow is if it's positive, so you need to draw positive lah. Okay, if it's negative, you need to draw. But for T table, we have only inside here actually is only positive value. So when we get so you need to check, you need to tally with the what you call the tail, left tail or right tail or both. So since this is a left tail, left tail, So that means the value that you get just now by using table 2.064 will be located at the left side and it will be considered as negative. Okay, negative 2.064. Okay, and then you check whether this value t is lies or not inside this. No. Okay, this is a negative 2 and our t is negative 1. Maybe somewhere here is negative 1, for example. So that means your t value is lies in the non-rejection region. This is the white one yang tak berlorek ni adalah non-rejection region. So therefore, we will accept H naught. Okay, so this is the case where we accept the H naught lah. Okay, we accept H naught. Okay, number 5 is you need to make a conclusion that let's say I agree. This time is I agree with the claim. For example lah, I agree with the claim. Okay, because we accept the H naught. Alright, class? Okay. Alright, so yeah, I will stop the video here because yeah, we are done. I already give you the example on mean. We just do it for mean. So for the next video, I will give you example on how to find hypothesis testing for proportion. It's similar, tak ada beza pun, cuma yeah, it's a proportion lah. Okay, it's a proportion. Okay, and also another example on another topic which is p-value approach. Right?